In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign PDF with digital signature certificate in Adobe Acrobat. We'll start inside Adobe Acrobat. Open the program, then go to File and choose Open to select the PDF you want to sign. It's a good idea to confirm you're working on the correct final version of the document before you apply a digital signature, since a signature locks the content to maintain integrity. Next, open the Certificates tools. At the top, click Tools, then look for Certificates. Click it, and then choose Open to load the certificate features into your toolbar. This is where Acrobat groups everything related to adding and validating digital signatures. Now you're ready to place the signature field. Click Digitally Sign. Acrobat will show a message explaining that you're about to draw the area where your signature will appear. Click OK to continue. With your cursor, click and drag to draw a signature box exactly where you want the signature to be visible. Don't worry, you can adjust the appearance in a moment, but pick a clear location that doesn't cover important text. A window will pop up listing available certificates on your computer or connected device. Select your digital signature certificate and then click Continue. If you're using a USB token, make sure it's plugged in, the driver is installed, and you have the token pin ready. A DSC is essentially a secure digital ID that uses encryption to prove the document hasn't been altered and that the signer is who they claim to be. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the certificate details shown on screen to ensure you've selected the correct one. If you want the visual look of your signature to include elements like your name, the signing date, or a logo, click Edit to adjust the appearance. This won't change your certificate, just how the signature looks on the page. Once it looks right, click Sign. When prompted, enter your DSC or token PIN exactly as issued, then click OK. Keep your PIN private and avoid saving it in unsecured locations. Acrobat will now ask you where to save the signed file. Choose a folder and file name you'll recognize later. Saving as a new copy is a smart way to preserve your original PDF while creating a distinct digitally signed version. After you save, your PDF will include a valid digital signature embedded into the document. That's it. You've signed your PDF with a digital signature certificate in Adobe Acrobat. If this was helpful, save your workflow notes so the next signing session is even faster.